Welcome aboard the Ghan train from Adelaide to Darwin. In the first episode, we boarded the train, navigated ourselves from our cabin to the other carriages and the dining lounge. After dinner, the train continued its journey to the Outback, while the passengers enjoyed the nightcaps, then spending the first night on the moving first-class bedrooms. We arrived at Marla in the early morning to see the sunrise, along with the light breakfast and coffee or tea. As the train continues up north, the landscape changes. This is what I call red earth. As the train approaches any interesting landmark, the staff will make an announcement beforehand, and the train will slow down. We arrived in Alice Springs, which there will be off-the-train activities to choose. We picked the program Cycle Alice. I thought it would be a chilled ride around the town, but it turned out as a ride on the mountain bike track. 99% of the passengers chose to do the easy activities. Only 5 adventurous spirits chose to do the bike, and this will be my first time on the real mountain bike track. I ride on the flat surface for all my life. At this age, it is difficult to find the spare parts for our body, but the show must go on, someone told me. Before takeoff, we practiced at the parking lot to be familiar with the bike and make sure that the brake and gear work properly. The first part of the track was flat, but soon we entered the dirt track pack with gravels and rocks. The guide's instruction was very helpful. He told us that as long as the wheels keep spinning, the bike will not fall down. I tried hard to keep my legs pedaling at all cost. After taking the shower, we headed to dinner where 4-course meals will be served tonight. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because in the next episode we will arrive in Catherine, got off the train at Darwin, but the journey continued to Cockardoo and Litchfield National Park.